Hello, Leo. Welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today, I'll be using tarot, and also I'll be using pendulum and this chakra wheel to check on your chakras, your energetic system, also called auras or energy points in your body, however it resonates to you. With that said, this is a general energy reading. I would also like to say happy blue moon energy. We are officially in Virgo season. So, Leo, I hope that this energy resonates with you and that, again, it allows you to bring balance and prosperity into your life. So, with that said, I've pre-shuffled, meditated on your energy and primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. So, I'll give it just a few more shuffles just to see if anything would like to come out for you, Leo. Oh, already. A lot of major arcanas, definitely new beginnings for you, Leo. But we just finished your season, so this totally makes sense. I love this though, right here. The Emperor and the Empress. I feel like ultimately you are taking the chance and you're working really hard to be here. This is, tarot is like a story, and ultimately this is where we want to end up at the end of the day as the Emperor, as the Empress. This is pretty much the balance of your two sides, your duality. You're very much direct, and you're also very much nurturing towards whatever you're desiring in life. However, in this particular message, it is saying that it's okay to take chances, but also work really hard and be consistent with what you're doing physically. Pentacles is the earth element within ourselves. It's our body, it's our material needs, it's our finances. So the Hermit, it's pretty much saying like go within. It's almost saying like take chances, but also like walk in silence. Do the work, like be committed, protect yourself, use your creativity, definitely ground yourself in whatever moves you're making. And energy and spirit is saying we're here with you, we're protecting you. But you will be going through this stage of just kind of like going within, which would be the Hermit for me. There's some soul searching going on. Inner guidance, it is, the energy is asking you to really be by yourself in order for this to come in balance, or just to basically show itself to you. But ultimately, the fact that these two are here is so beautiful. These two speak about authority, establishment, there's structure. The Empress speaks about femininity, beauty, nature, nurturing. There's an abundance that's wanting to come through for you. I love that 4 major arcanas came up for you. The number 4 in itself means structure, foundation, stability. It's planning. It's some sturdiness as to what you're wanting to manifest. It's solidity. So with the 7 of Pentacles here, 7 is reflection, it's assessment, it's knowing, and it's again taking chances, but also being very much present and learning everything that's coming into your life. Leo, I see so much energy for you, but again, this is what really kind of has me saying this is here for you, but in this particular time, there is a need for you to soul search, to be alone, to, like I said prior, walk in silence as to what you're working, what you're trying to manifest. Take chances, talk to spirit, know that you are protected. Just be aware, be mindful, be aware of the energies around you, basically. 9, it's fruition, it's attainment, it's being fulfilled. Okay, it's not necessarily constantly looking at your back, but it is, again, it's what you lived through and now moving forward with that information. So I hope that this message resonates with you, Leo. This is a beautiful message for you. You have a lot of major arcanas. You're definitely being in new beginnings. There's a lot of opportunities for you, potentials, and ultimately divine protection, which is very beautiful. Now I'm gonna move on to your chakras. I feel like there's a lot of energy back here. Let me try to... Thank you, Spirit. I want to see where you need to shed a little bit more light. Sorry. Okay. Center myself. Okay, I'm wanting to check on your chakras and your energetic system. I like to work with keywords in order for you to, again, connect and understand a little bit more. Okay, is it your base chakra and your crown chakra? Yes. Okay, thank you so much. All right. So for you, Leo, it really wants you to focus on both on your physical and your spiritual side of you. There's a balance between these two, okay? Again, the heart for me is the filter to both your your spiritual and your physical. And in this case, it wants you to pay attention to both. Give a little bit more light to your base chakra, which is also known as your root, is the color red, and your crown chakra, which is like color purple. We'll start with your root, okay? It is your connection to earth. It's grounding. It's stability. It's balance. It's the trust. It's physical health, it's nourishment, it's strength, family, it's your roots, your security, survival, prosperity. Try to wear a lot of red, eat a lot of red, fruits and vegetables, meditate on the color red. Same with the crown chakra, which speaks to the connection to the universe, your spirituality. Be tapped into your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, meaning your inner joy, peace, wholeness. What makes you feel this? Again, wear the color purple, meditate on that, meditate on, again, pray, focus on your connection to the universe. What is your spirituality? What brings you joy and love into yourself? Leo, I hope that this message resonates with you. I send you the best of vibes and thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, add me to your list, all that. Thank you. Ciao.